Hi, my name is ShinYoung, and this is my project. I hope you enjoy it. Water is crucial for survival. This liquid water is vital for humans, animals, and plants to live. The human body is made out of 2/3 of water. We can go for a month without food, but you'll die after 3 to 5 days without water. New water is not formed. Water is recycled. 97% of the water on Earth is found in oceans and seas, and it's too salty for us to drink. Only 3% of the Earth's water is fresh and found in rivers, lakes, and glaciers. Actually, 1% is available for us to use in our everyday lives. Water is a limited resource. Did you know that the water that you bathe in is the same water that rained down 200 million years ago? The water cycle. The water cycle tells how water travels from the surface of the earth, the sky, and back. The water cycle has 6 steps: evaporation, precipitation, transpiration, percolation, condensation, and collection. The water cycle is a never-ending cycle of how water gets recycled. First, there is a collection. A collection is the gathering of water in such rivers, lakes, and even puddles. The collection gets evaporated, which means the water turns into vapor and rises up. And then it condensates. That means forming a cloud in the sky. To form a cloud, there has to be dust. Next, it precipitates. That means the vapor turns cold and comes down from the sky depending on the temperature. When it is cold, there is sleet, hail, or snow. When it's not so cold, it rains. Then it goes back to the collection and the water cycle starts all over again. Uses of water. We use water for many uses such as transportation, for boats, drinking, when we are thirsty, and entertainment, such as swimming, flying, plates, or power for electricity. We sometimes use as much as we need, but sometimes we waste a lot of water as well. A lot of people think every time some water comes down and gets wasted, they think new water rains down. However, sometimes water is mistreated. We also use water for watering plants. Mistreatment of water. Water is mistreated by humans. Mostly is littering, leftover toxic or chemicals, and other things that harm the environment and the water. The other cause is oil spills. The oil spills cause birds to never fly or die. Sometimes even people mistreat water at home too, such as leaving the tap on and not using the water. Slurry is also a problem. Even though it's a natural fertilizer, it harms the environment. People should not spray any kind of pesticide because surface runoffs decide the pesticide in the water. Some people think that water is always there for us, and it is true right now, but it might not be true in the future if people keep treating water like this. Conclusion. Water is a vital resource. I think water should be protected because if we run out of water, there will be no more life on Earth. Humans depend on water to survive. If you pollute the water, we will eventually run out. If you don't want this to happen, what can you do? Thank you for listening, and you can make a difference.